Okay, hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another really quick mini nail haul video. So today I'm going to start off with some AliExpress nail haul items. First up are these. They are so pretty. So I love the large stones, as you can see. Look at that. And I don't know if you can tell, they're already a little curved. So when you place them on the nail, like they'll just, you see, line up perfectly. So all I got is like this blue here, this really nice pink. This is like an AB one, but it's so kind of similar to the pink. I guess just how it shimmers. I like this emerald one. So nice. I love these. So you can put one big piece and then put, I don't know, some medium, small, like make a whole arrangement. But I love getting big pieces like this and then using my smaller stones to go around it. For example, so I have stuff like these. Also, really pretty pieces that you can use. Let me just get my tweezer so I can show you for real. So like you have these like large pieces like these, right? And it's also it's curved. You just prop it there and you can, you know, look at this one. Oh, my little crown. My little Meghan Markle on. Anyway, so yeah, you get these pieces and then you can add smaller stones. So if you're not, especially, this is the reason why I got big stones, is because at first I wasn't very good, and I'm still like, I'm alright. I wasn't that good at doing like designs with rhinestones. So I invested in big pieces and then a whole bunch of different sizes of my AB stones. So you do stuff like that. You get your big statement pieces and then kind of like adorn around the big pieces. Because I know there are nail techs, nail artists who can use these, just these, and have like these amazing like rhinestone art. But yeah, I'd rather invest in bigger pieces and then do smaller pieces around it, so you still get that big statement piece look. And my other go-to is, of course, when I do stuff like this. And all this is just taking different size stones and just placing them next to each other, so you kind of get a really nice stone placement effect. So I would suggest to invest in statement pieces, even like the little quirky ones like these. Like I got these quirky ones, they spin. Now if I had this on my nail, I probably wouldn't put much else on it. Like you just put it there and it does move. I kind of went overboard. Like, how many clients am I really gonna get that want this on their nail? But you'll be surprised. I might be surprised. Like this, like it's so, look at this. I love it. I feel like a jeweler picking stuff up with this tweezer. Whatever, I'm a weirdo. Like, for example, this statement piece. You don't need to put anything else. You just got this one piece. And then, you know, to make your profit, you can charge an extra $10 just for this one piece. And people will pay for it. If they like it, they'll do it. I'm in the New York, New Jersey area, so charging $5, $10 for this one of these would make sense. It all depends on where you're from. It could, that will work for you in your demographic and in your area, maybe not. I'm just saying, for me in the tri-state area where I live, New York, New Jersey, that's where I'm at, I would charge extra. Because look, if I put this, that's all you need. That is all you need. And if somebody is going for a super blinged out nail, we all have that one client that really loves bling. Boom. Get your big statement pieces together, line it up, and adorn it with different sized AB rhinestones. Blinged out nail. And you didn't use 1,000 of these, which takes time to do. You just put your big pieces. So that's my little tidbit on that. But yeah, these are my new purchases. Then next, because you know I'm Kitty Claus and I just have to always get stones. Oh my goodness. I If you are in the New York, New Jersey area, please hit me up. I just want to do a bling set on somebody, please. Anyway, besides myself. So these, when I bought them, I didn't realize, of course, like I usually do. I realize things after the fact, that these aren't flat. So you see how these are flat and even curved a little so you can place it on a nail. These aren't. So my suggestion is if you are going to look in the description box below and buy or purchase these, also make sure you have maybe a gel, or even if you have a clear poly gel to stick these into and really set it in, because these need something to nestle into. My regular nail glue, it will hold it because Zulay glue is bomb. However, it won't hold it. It won't last, I'll just say, because it will get caught on something and pop off. So I would suggest that either use some acrylic to hold this to the nail and then also put a little glue around it so to make sure it stays, or put poly gel, which I've done before, and it does adhere and hold really well. But I didn't, of course, being myself, didn't realize that they weren't flat. So they have this little, you know, if you can see it, they're like a little rounded. But anyway, I absolutely love these. Like, look how pretty. I think I have more similar color palette like this with this. Yeah, you see what I'm going for? Love it. Anyway, so I bought these. So these three are same shape, same size. I don't know the size, but I will leave the links below. I love how they shine and they shimmer. And these aren't Swarovski, these are just rhinestones, okay? Buying stones like these, like this, like these, you can get away with not necessarily having Swarovskis, and take your time to build your Swarovski collection, because these are really pretty, you know? As long as you don't put glue on top of them or cover them in gel top coat, that dulls the shine. They'll last you and they will shine. So yeah, I got that. And then look at these. I love this like champagne color. I guess you can call it champagne, right? Look how nice. And look how, these are big. These are bigger. I don't know what size these are, but just look how big they are. Really nice. And then this is the AB one. I have a thing for AB stones. I don't know. I feel like you can put AB stones with just about any nail design you're doing to add a little bling because of how they shine. So no matter what color nail you have or gel polish you have, they kind of just go with everything, you know? So that's that. So the next piece I'm going to show you. I remember before I left in one of my videos, I had ordered some stamping plates that were subpar, and I did return that to Amazon. I'm not going to say the company name or anything like that, but yeah, it wasn't great. So I invested in Beauty Big Bang. Femi Beauty, I see her mention Beauty Big Bang a lot. And if you don't know who Femi Beauty is, I love, love, love her YouTube. She's a great, great nail artist. And then she's starting to introduce like hair and stuff to her channels now. So if you don't know her, check her out. But she mentions them a lot. So I was like, okay, let me try them. So these are some stamping plates I got from Beauty Big Bang. And I think I got this from AliExpress. Matter of fact, this whole haul is AliExpress. And I just realized it. I told you I love my AliExpress. Mind you, I ordered these, like I said, in December, and it is mid-January. I'm just getting it. So just FYI, my disclaimer, if you're going to order from AliExpress, always remember, do not order things you want right away. So, look how cute this is. I love this. Now, you can get the same effect. I've seen people use it with the foam, like you put the soap and they put the foam on the nail, you put it in the lamp and set, and you can get the same effect. And you can kind of also do it with a stamping plate. So it all depends on what you want to do. Like if you want to wow your client, you can do the bubbles and all of that. And it does look nice, and it does have like a, it's a texture thing for that. So isn't this cool? This one, I love it. And I also love this. Like, this is dope. Anyway, so this is Beauty Big Bang. This is this stamping plate. It's, I don't know, there's butterflies back here. I think they're just showing you how to stamp. Anyway, this is that number. The next Beauty Big Bang, this one, it says Beauty Big Bang 025. This one is my butterfly. Yes, I know we're still in January. We're still in wintertime. I'm getting prepared for spring. Okay, so I love this so much. I love it. Like, I'm even trying to think how long my nail has to be to get this design on it. But this is Beauty Big Bang stamping plate 025. So it's the butterfly. Then I have my little Easter one. Now, I am not big on like the whole Easter bunny type thing, but I know there'll be clients who will be. To me, Jesus is the reason for the season, but, you know, to each his own. This is Beauty Big Bang XL058, and this one does not have the cover on it, and it looks a little messed up. It did not come to me that way. I was just testing it out to make sure I was not getting a bait and switch type of situation like I did with my other stamping plate that just absolutely did not work. These do work. So look at the bunnies. It's cute. I think it's cute. You know, we have the Easter bunnies and Easter eggs and stuff like that, which, you know, is really nice. I'm also gonna get a more religious Easter one, only because you don't know. You should have everything you need for any kind of client that comes in your door. That's how I feel. So it's cute to have a little Easter egg. Yeah, it's cute. Like, I like it, the little birds. But then there are those who may want a more religious Easter nail design, and I want to accommodate all my clients, you know. So I need to look for that one. Like, they do have a religious aspect on this one, which is the cross here, but that's the only one here, you know. So I would like to maybe get a few more happy Easter ones that aren't just bunnies and eggs to accommodate, like I said, all clients, because yeah, I don't discriminate. Now, another Beauty Big Bang. This is Beauty Big Bang XL056. This one is so cute. I kind of like the sweater type designs, you know. I'm kind of mad because the stamping plate I had before had these designs, and I wanted to do a Christmas colored theme design with these like sweater-ish patchwork designs, and yeah, it didn't work. So I was kind of mad that didn't work out for me for my holiday nails, but I think these are so cute. I really like it. Like, this is nice. So we have that. And the next Beauty Big Bang stamping plate is a Beauty Big Bang XL099. This is dope. So here we get like that little bubble effect again, but then you have all these different type of snake skin patterns, different type of zebra, cheetah print patterns. Mainly it's a lot of like snake and leopard patterns. I love this. Love. Like, look at this snake print. Like, this is dope. Like, seriously. Like, this? I love animal print. Sorry. That's just me. And then you'll see, like, they have different, like, actual animal stuff here. Like, they have the whole... What's this snake called again? Wow. I know the name of this snake, and right now I can't think of it. Remind me, kitties, what the heck is the name of this animal? Anyway. I love this. You're definitely going to see me do this on my nails. Definitely. And then I'm going to make a video. I don't know if I did. I did not. On how to make a snake skin effect using blooming gel. Awesome. Like, blooming gel is the bomb. I love it. And then next is my Beauty Bang Big Bang XL095. This one is a layered stamping plate. So you do your different layers. You can, it just adds more depth to your layering. So you can pick maybe 3 colors in a similar color palette or whatever it is you're going for, and stamp it, line it up, and stamp it on your nail, and you'll get this really nice effect. And like I said, it just adds depth and dimension to what you're stamping. So this is really nice. I really like this. Like, I think the leaves are just 2. Like, the bird is just 2, but as you can see, the butterfly is 1, 2, 3, and the flower is 1, 2, 3 layers. So, you know, you can really do something really pretty and really nice, you know. So you'll probably definitely be seeing this on me for the spring, because I love the effect and the ease of nail art with stamping plates. So there you go. These are my little AliExpress haul, my Beauty Big Bang stamping plates, my nail bling, which you know, guys, I wouldn't be Kitty Claus without my nail bling, so this is it. I hope you guys like my mini hauls, and we are almost at 200, guys. Don't forget, we have that giveaway, my Kiara Sky giveaway. So we have our giveaway. Do not forget, we have our Kiara Sky giveaway. Once I hit 200 subs, one of my lucky subscribers will be getting this giveaway. Like I said before, I will be leaving the instructions in a random video. I'm not going to tell you when. Just keep your eyes out for when we hit 200. I will be leaving the instructions on how to win this giveaway and the rules, and the first person to follow said rules will be part of that giveaway. This is where you'll pour it in if you want to use it for yourself, kind of like dip like that, or your client, because this can be sanitized after. So yeah, I think I'm going to do this giveaway a little bit different, people. So kitties, this giveaway will be more so once we hit 200 subscribers. I will make some competition type rules. The first 3 people to do what I asked them to do, they will then be put in a little raffle, I can say. Not raffle, what's it called? Yeah, it's a raffle. Yeah. A random raffle. So the first 3 will put in the raffle, basically, and I will do it in a video so that no one can say I, was being slick. So there'll be rules. The first 3 people to follow said rules, maybe first 3 or first 5, just to make it a little bit more interesting. You guys tell me, first 3 or first 5. I'll leave that up to you, kitties. And after the first 3 or first 5, based on the comments I receive, first 3 or 5 people to follow said rules would then be put in, like, little raffle, and we'll do a random drawing, and one of those people will then win this giveaway. That's how I'm going to be doing this giveaway, guys. So keep your eyes out for that. Keep the lookout for when I hit this 200 subs. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. Please, please, please go follow me. It is Kitty Claus 18. This is me, people. This is my Instagram. Follow, follow, follow. This is, I'll be announcing certain things on my Instagram, and DM me. We can talk, chat, get to know each other. You have any questions? If I know it, like I always tell anybody, if I know the answer, I'll give it to you, and if I don't know, I will find out and I'll get back to you. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. Love you guys so, so, so very much. Until next time, kitties. Bye.